The expanding creator economy has resulted in a variety of ways to make money on YouTube. While some methods have a lower barrier to entry than others, there is no substitute for quality content and an engaged audience. If you can tap into your creative side and are willing to put in a lot of effort, you might be able to make money on YouTube as well. Here are a few approaches to consider. Hello guys, welcome to a Vital 1. YouTube Partner Program. Let's get this one out of the way first. The most difficult barrier to joining the YouTube Partner Program is exceeding the 1,000 subscriber mark. Once you have done so, you will be able to earn advertising revenue. Before you can become a partner, you must meet a few additional requirements. Your videos must follow the site's advertising guidelines and have received over 4,000 valid public watch hours in the previous 12 months. You must live in an eligible area. If you meet the requirements, you can apply by going to your profile and navigating to the monetization section. As a partner, you can earn money through advertisements, membership benefits, and features such as Super Chat, which allows viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during a live stream. 2. Become an affiliate marketer. If you plan to make product review videos, affiliate marketing may be the most practical way to monetize your YouTube traffic. It works like this. First, you look for a company or seller that offers an affiliate program, such as Amazon Associates, and apply to become a member. Second, once accepted, you'll go through their process to create custom links to products you want to include in your videos. Finally, demonstrate, review, or refer to the products in your YouTube videos, and paste your custom affiliate marketing link in the description field when you upload. When a viewer clicks your custom link and purchases the product, you will earn a commission as a brand affiliate. While Amazon Associates is a great way to make money on Amazon, there are numerous other options. Look for potential corporate partners and products to feature on affiliate marketing sites like ShareASale and ClickBank. You can also directly search the websites of your favorite brands for information on how to become an affiliate. Remember to properly notify your viewers about your affiliation with the featured brand or brands, and point them to the link in description when you shoot your video. 3. Create sponsored content through brand deals. Another way to make money on YouTube is to land a brand deal, which is a type of affiliate marketing. Companies that want to reach your channel's audience may sponsor your videos or offer you product placement deals in exchange for a shout-out. The operative word here is audience, which means that these kinds of opportunities are more likely to present themselves as you build a following. As your channel grows, you can either contact the brands directly or use resources like the aforementioned affiliate marketing sites to find corporate partners who complement your content style. With brand deals, you can receive lump sum payments, per sale commissions, or receive the product or service for free. Keep in mind that if you have an endorsement or use product placement in a video, you must notify YouTube by ticking a box in the Advanced Settings tab of your video manager to indicate that your video contains paid promotion. 4. Create and sell your own product or merchandise. If you have merchandise or a service that your audience would be interested in, let them know about it and include links in your videos. For example, Marks Brownlee, the creator of the popular tech review channel MKBHD, includes a link to his own line of t-shirts and accessories in each video he posts. You may need to purchase materials or find a manufacturer to sell a physical product, but you can also sell downloadables such as ebooks, art prints, or virtual classes. Before you advertise your products, set up a secure payment system. Selling merchandise can be extremely profitable, with top YouTubers earning millions in revenue because of their creative design. Some influencers' merchandise reaches far beyond their community of followers. As a result, new merch customers frequently become fans of the YouTube content. 5. Turn to crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is another option for monetizing your channel. There are two primary types of crowdfunding: recurring and project-based. In the former, which is better suited for content creators, channel fans pay a small subscription fee in exchange for perks or an exclusive tier of access. More subscribers equals more revenue. Incentives such as one-on-one video chats, private classes, or merchandise can entice viewers to sign up. Patreon is a popular crowdfunding platform that provides an additional income stream for many video creators, musicians, and other artists with a larger following. If you have an idea for a project that needs funding, a project-based crowdfunding campaign is the way to go. Start with sites like Indiegogo, Kickstarter, or GoFundMe. YouTube income is passive as long as your videos are watched. Keep track of which videos perform the best and create videos on similar topics. As your video library and views grow, so will your income. You can also create other income streams through YouTube. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. We're so glad you did. And if you enjoyed this one, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss a video. See you next time.